last video we have made our to-do list app and we have completed this. Like, we can check it out, we can implement it, right? So let's move forward and let's complete it. In this video we will target to add our own task in this list, and also let's modify this little bit, right? Okay, so for that we can focus on, let's firstly check. I think the text should be text object. If you know the normal text tab, it should be that way. So for that I can do just a second, text decoration. Okay, so we can do the text style decoration, then we add the text decoration. Okay, and just simply we can add text decoration line through. So as I add the line through, you can notice that everyone has the line through, but we want to add whenever the value is true. So we will just copy this in the decoration part, add the condition, and then we will use the tertiary operator. What is this called, the tertiary operator. I will let you know what is this. So basically tertiary operator, let me give you an example. So tertiary operator is nothing but condition, then a condition, then a question mark, then what to do, what if yes true, or I think true, and otherwise what if false. So the tertiary operator works like this. So we have a condition over here, 1, and if the condition is true, it will execute this part, and if the condition is false, it will execute this part. So I think I have used that in the past videos. Okay, so this is your first time. So that's the basic of a tertiary operator. Tertiary operator. Okay, so it is very useful. Please know that it will be used like here and there in their app, like 100% all the time. So that's the main thing. So let's add the tertiary operator. So we want to add condition like, and when the check is true, we will add the line. When the check is false, we will remove the line. So text decoration again, and this time we will add none. Okay, so now you will notice the task we check it get the line, otherwise they don't get the lines, right? Yeah, now it looks good. We can also do one thing too. We can change the text color. So let's do that too, right? Color. So right now we are using colors for 87. Let's start with the color 87. Okay, let's add our color. Then we will add our condition, tertiary operator. When the checkbox is checked, then color would be little light, right? Because it's already checked. We will add 54. So to check that, we can see our light custom. That's exactly what we wanted. Okay, we can edit and customize it too. Like we can decrease the color of a card, we can change everything. So we will do in the further videos. So let's move forward and add our own way of adding the task in the list. Okay, so for that, let me just cover everything, and then now it's time for adding floating navigation action button, right? So we want to add a floating navigation action button. So let's add a floating action button class. Okay, and it requires on press parameter is required. So we will have to add that on pressed, and that's what we get, the floating action button. And this is also a core thing in the Flutter, and this is very useful and can be like used here and there. Let's also, you can shape it. So shape, or you can also give it a text shape, so you can make it any shape possible. You can change the colors. I think background color dot black. Alright, okay, and then you can add the icon as well, child. So you can add the icon, which is icons dot add. Okay, and you will get the icon, then you will get the foreground color, colors dot white, and now you get the icon. So we have our small cute little button. It's pressable. We can change the splash screen color as well. So that's for the basic design part. Okay, so now on press we want to show a dialog, which dialog will like revert to our like adding the text. Okay, so we'll create a show dialog function. which is a context and a builder function, and its builder requires a function with a build context. So just context, boom. Okay, finish this, so you get the alert box. Now you have to add the return in this. Return, you can just return the container, and that's it. So now you can see we are showing the show box, but there's nothing into this, right? So let's create something. Let's add height of 180. Okay, we have to add the width too. We can also use an alert box, alert dialog, which is like a basic given by default alert box. So we can add the content into that, and for that we can just create a container and height given to 200. Let's check it out. Okay, so you get your basic default container alert box of height 200. You can add the elements into this, you can create text fields into this and everything. So let's focus on this video to complete this form, and after that we will look at how this will work with the our query fields. So let's add few things into this. Let's add a child. Okay, comma. Let's add a child, which will be column children's. Okay, and we will add a text field. I think we have made a custom text field. Yeah, that's a very good thing we have did. We can also let's add a text editing controller. Text editing controller, new task controller is equals to okay, text editing controller. Now we've given the controller and we get our custom text field. If you can see, you have to just re-click and start again. Okay, no constructor declare, no. Okay, it happens because yeah. Just a second. Controller. Okay, it requires everything too, right? Let's fix that. Let's add a hint, which is let's add new task. Okay, right. Let's go with the write your task here. Okay. Then so sorry for that. I hit the save. Okay, just go back for the ones. Okay. Then we have to add the object tags false. Then we have to add the validator too. Yeah, that's the main thing. Given the function your value, then we will have an icon start. Let's say this is task, so let's say flag or something. System giving us the error. Okay, we will restart the app and look into this. Okay, so now we get it. So basically just the image circular. So just you have to restart the app and you will get it. So now you can write your task here. Okay, so now what we need is a submit button. So we have created that one button in our login page. So you can just go there and copy it. We can create a custom widget around it too. Let's focus on right now this copy it to make it faster. Okay? Come to that. Go there. The cassette detector added, and that's it. Let's right now just make a submit button. I will remove the height. Okay, give padding to it. Let's make water school size, and we have our submit button. I think I have to add the height because column has infinite height, so we will go with the main size. So this is you can use whenever you want your column to like just a small thing. So this will make it like very small comparatively. Okay, that's the main thing. Let's add a text on the top. Add new task. Okay. Yeah. Let's give the style, text style, font size 24. have